Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to personalize your LinkedIn profile and make it stand out in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to edit your LinkedIn URL. This simple tweak can make your profile more professional and shareable, helping you network better in the evolving job market. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you aren't, go ahead and sign in using your email or phone number and password. Once you're in, head over to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now, on your profile page, look for the Edit Public Profile and URL option. It's usually right under your profile photo or in the More drop-down menu. Click on that, and you'll see a section dedicated to your custom URL. By default, LinkedIn assigns a generic URL with numbers and letters, but you can change it to something clean and memorable, like your name or brand. To edit it, simply type in your desired URL in the provided field. Remember, it has to be unique, so if your first choice is taken, try adding numbers or a middle initial. Once you're happy with it, hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. LinkedIn will confirm the change, and you're all set. One quick tip. Keep your URL professional and easy to remember, as it's often the first thing people see when you share your profile. If you run into any issues, double-check for LinkedIn's guidelines on custom URLs. There you have it. Editing your LinkedIn URL is that straightforward. This small change can make a big difference in how you present yourself online. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.